Hey, it's Brittany Inns, your Houston realtor. So we are here in Cypress, Texas today, taking a look at one of Taylor Morrison's floor plans here. So Bridge Creek is not new in the area, but they do have two new sections, a 45 section and a 50-foot section. So they have put the Lunaria plan as their latest model in these sections. And so I'm excited to show it to you. Lunaria is about 2,800 square feet, a little over that, and 2-story. So I really enjoy showing Taylor Morrison. There's a lot of interest because they have great quality for a good price. And so just many people have been reaching out about Taylor Morrison's floor plans here in Cypress and all over Houston. So if this is something that you're interested in, definitely reach out. I'm happy to help as a realtor that could represent you in your purchase of one of these floor plans. So if you have any questions, reach out. My contact information is below. I'm excited to show you this plan. If you're ready, let's go take a look at it. All right, welcome to the Lunaria plan. This is quite a big plan for what you get and the price. 2,809 square feet, 5 beds, 3 baths. There's a flex room and a game room upstairs with a 2-car garage. So this plan in Bridge Creek starts at $441,990, and it is worth mentioning that depending on the area and the community that you're wanting to build, the price can change. I hope you enjoy this plan.